welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with another plan with me and I wanted to show you guys some of my new releases from my sticker shop. So I'll quickly do that before I open up my planner. If you don't know already, I do have an Etsy shop which is called Airy Bea. It is the same name as this channel. So here are some of my new releases that once you see this video will already have been up. Usually my new releases are on Thursdays. And I'm actually currently doing a sale, so as you're watching this on opening weekend, I am currently doing a sale along with these new releases. So I'll quickly show you guys. I have a few up here and then I have some full sheets. So these are some of the new releases that I have recently designed. All of these are made by me. And the first few that we have here are some circle icons. I've been wanting to make super simple icons for a very long time, so these ones are just the small collection that I've started out with. So I have bows here, which can be practically used for anything, and these ones right now have a marble background to them. Here are the leaf prints, which can be used for like healthy eating. It can be used like in the summer if you're gardening. I went with something a little bit more general so you guys can use it for many different things. I also have here coffee cups as well as workout stickers. So I have all of these already listed in my shop and I'm going to be using them in this plan with me. These are not new releases. But I also do have these, which are some quarter boxes that I have newly designed with these images printed on the background. So I have various different ones. This one is a palm leaf print, which I think is super pretty. This one I have pretty succulents. This one is a cherry blossom design with a really pretty bright blue sky, and then we also have some flowers. These are peonies in the background and I love them. So I also am going to be releasing these and I'm also going to be using them in this plan with me. And the big release are these little script stickers. Again, this is something that I've been wanting to bring to the shop for a very long time, and I decided to make these into like little mini sheets. Obviously they are much smaller than the ones that I have already showed you. I really like this size because it's very compact. It is a little bit bigger than credit card size, but you can probably cut it down to make it credit card size. And I decided to make so many different designs with a bunch of different scripts, and I decided to choose two different fonts. So this one is my this week, so I have a regular classic text and then a more script text. Let's see if I can organize these guys. Depending on the length of the word is the number of stickers that you get, obviously, because to-dos and todays are quite small, so you do get more stickers here. So I'm going to be using a lot of these. I just want to show you the different script fonts here very quickly. Here I have some sleep in stickers, which I like. Also, depending on the sheet, sometimes they have two different scripts on the sheet. So this one says manicure pedicure, for example. This one says YouTube Netflix. This one says sleep in and nap time. This one says important and appointments. This one says all don't forget. Where's the other one? This one says all don't forget, which is important, and this one says all treat yourself. So these are my little mini sheet new releases as well. So I feel like I've talked a bit too much. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with my plan with me. I'm going to be using, again, SM Plans inserts because I really liked using them last time. So I'm going to take out my pages here. I've already numbered the pages for some reason. I don't remember why I did that or when I did that, but it just makes everything a little bit more convenient. And I'm going to move this to the side. I'm just going to use a Hello Paper Cat page marker here to write on top of. This one's super cute. It has a Totoro keychain. I believe there's a few different options for these words inside this little bubble, so check out Hello Paper Cat. I do have a coupon code for her shop, and I do have a coupon code for SM Plans. All of those links and codes are down below in my description box. So I'm going to get started. I think I'm going to start with decoration. Usually I start writing right away, but I feel like decorating a little bit. So I have my favorite washi. These are some rose gold hearts. I believe you can get this on AliExpress and probably somewhere else on Etsy as well. They're probably resellers. So I'm just going to go to town and put down a little bit of this rose gold washi because I think it's super cute. And I'm going to put down a few deco boxes. I don't actually have a kit today. Well, I do have kits, but I'm just not feeling them at the moment. So I actually found these stock images on online. These are free stock images, and I just decided to print them out on sticker paper and cut them out. But these are like for my personal use. They won't be coming to the shop or anything. I just wanted to add a little bit of deco in here without going too crazy. Obviously that is not straight. I think I'm going to be going for a very dessert theme, just because I think it is super, super cute. And I kind of like these pinks and stuff in here. So I think I'm going to use some of these floral quarter boxes from my shop. So I'm going to be writing down a few events on these quarter boxes. This is the flower version. Today is actually Tuesday, so I missed out on Monday, so I'm just going to quickly write some things that happen. I did make an order from Samantha May Sticks, which I'm super, super excited about. I'm very excited to get my order. She was doing some grab bags, so I grabbed a few from her. Also, what else is happening? So like I mentioned earlier, I will be having an Etsy sale, and I will be offering 20% off the whole store. So I want to make sure I write a little note for that, and I think that's going to be it for now. I'm going to start sticking these stickers down. Oh my gosh, I think these stickers are going to be so, so cute. I will be going to a GOT7 concert on Sunday, so I definitely need to mark that. I'm so, so excited. I've already seen them once, and I'm really, really happy to see them again. I should put a little bit of washi on this side, because I don't have too many extra stickers here. Just to add a little bit of emphasis to this section over here, and I'm going to be taking some of those circle icon stickers that I recently showed you. I'm going to take some of these and mark off some of these as well. So I want to put a little cute bow here. I like using these bows as like little reminders and stuff like that, because like, you know that thing where people used to like tie strings around their fingers to remember stuff? It's kind of like that. I don't know why I feel the need to do that, but yes. And I want to look for a couple more stickers just so I can put on this GOT7 one. Of course I do have GOT7 stickers in my Etsy shop, so I'm going to put a few stickers there. And I'll also put one of these heart stickers as well. Super cute. Oh, those are so adorable. And for this Etsy sale, I actually want to use one of these stickers over here. Maybe I'll use this big laptop sticker, because I think it'll fit perfectly. Yep, perfectly in there. Oh, how adorable is that? So now I think I can start writing in some of my important events. So I'm actually going to write my to-dos on this side and then check it off in the center here. That's what I really like about these inserts. You can decide which side you want to write on. So I'm going to quickly write in some things. And I do also have some color dot stickers. These are also available in my shop, and I have them in two different sizes, in a sheet that is big like this, and then also a sheet that is also mini sized. So I'm going to take one of these really pretty pinky mauvey stickers, these circle stickers, and I'm just going to quickly write in something that I wanted to remember, which is that my van sticky order shipped. I'm so excited to get that order. You might see a haul coming up soon. Lately, for some reason, I've been getting a few headaches. I have no idea why. I've had a headache today. Like I said, today is Tuesday, and I seriously don't know why I'm having them. I don't normally get headaches, so this is kind of frustrating, and like it makes me not want to be productive, so that's why I'm kind of sad. I try not to take medicine when I have headaches, because I feel like, I don't know, I just don't like taking medicine. I think I mentioned this before, but yeah. Oops, I made a little mistake there. I don't know what I was trying to write, but I think I'll just cover it up with a sticker. And I think that'll be fine. So I think that's all I want to do on Wednesday. I wanted to do my nails on Wednesday. I currently have this really pretty lilac nail polish on, and I really love it, but for my GOT7 concert I do want to change it to green. So I have this really pretty green nail polish that I want to use. But as I was painting my nails with this pretty lilac color, like, I realized that my nail polish is like almost running out. And this is one of my favorite colors, and I only just realized now that this nail polish is discontinued. This is from Ciate, and they've discontinued a lot of their nail polishes. I think they only kept like only a few from their old collection, and obviously they came out with more. But I feel like they're only starting to focus on makeup recently, which is great, but I mean, I want my nail polish back, and I think this is a really pretty color. Maybe Essie has a nice color that will be similar to this, but yeah, I'm just really sad that I won't have this color anymore. What else do I need to do? So on Thursday, as I'll have my sale, I want to print a lot of stickers. I think I filled up my week quite well here. I do have some other things that I will put in a little bit later, but I do want to put in some of these script stickers because I think they're so cute. I'm just gonna go through them. Oh, I forgot to use the to do and today stickers. Maybe I can just use them now. Do I want to use the script ones? I think I'll use the script ones today just because I think it's really pretty. I'll use one of these today stickers to mark this. Oh, it's so cute. And I'll also put one here as well. Over here, oh, here they are, the don't forget stickers. I wanted to put this over here so I don't forget a few things. I wanted to write a few things down for the concert. Oh, actually I should have put it, you know what, it's okay. I was gonna put it down here, but I think it will be fine. I need to remember to get some bus tokens. I'll be busing down to the concert. I need to bring my light stick, of course. Tickets. Water. Obviously I'll have my wallet and my phone, so I don't need to write that down. But I think that's it for now. I'll just leave it at that. And I definitely want to sleep in, because this is really important for me. I want to sleep in on Wednesday. Because like I said, I've been having headaches quite frequently. So I want to give myself some time to relax a little bit. Oh, you know what? I do want to add a sticker here, and I think I had a treat yourself sticker here that I want to use because I've been working really hard and I haven't been treating myself, so I'm going to have a lot of fun this weekend. So I think that is it for my week, you guys. I'm just going to zoom out and put this into my planner. So this is my week, you guys, in my planner, and it is super cute. I wish I had some foiled stickers here because I think that would look really nice with this washi. But like I said, I do have a Samantha May Sticks order coming soon, so I'm super excited to use that. Let me just move my bookmark in here. Isn't this so cute, by the way? I completely forgot that I had this name die cut from the Style Planner. So I decided to keep those in there with my calendar because it's super cute, especially when I flip it around. But I think that is it. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to check out my new releases that will already be in my shop, and also take advantage of that 20% off sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!